Thank you for staying with us. We're on the last lap of the show. Time for the plug, and I love art. Anything that has to do with art, you know that I am a big fan of it. Something interesting is happening at Alliance Française. I'm going to tell you about it. But I've been joined by veteran actor and a member of the Bibuguma Group at the National Drama Company of Ghana, Mr. Mauli Semevo, and then Nanama Asante, who is from Alliance Française do Accra, Dakar. Welcome. You speak French?
Oui,
I'm sure. Oh, look at that. Famali, do you speak French? I like that very much. That says it all. Well, let's have this conversation about the Alliance Française Arts Festival. Tell us about it, Amma.
The AFPAF, or the Alliance Française
Performance Arts Festival. Yeah.
Yes, it's a 2-day cultural event that takes place annually to celebrate or highlight different genres of performing arts.
Okay. Yeah, that was very fast. 2 days event that highlights what?
Different aspects of the performing arts.
Performing arts, so that would be music, drama, and dance.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, these
okay.
Two mainly.
Why are you guys doing this?
It's part of our mandate to promote cultural events, cross-cultural events from French and Francophone environments to Ghana, and then from Ghana to the world as well.
Beautiful. This is the first time you guys are putting this particular one together, because I know you have lots of events at Alliance Française.
Okay, this one is different because it's produced by Alliance Française.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is it going to be an annual event, or you're just doing it this time and that's it?
No, it happens every year.
Every year?
Yes, I was there last year as well, and it happens around this time when the year is going to end in November.
Beautiful. You tell me when and what time it's going to happen, but I want to talk to Famali. I'm guessing Ebi Guma is going to be there.
Yes.
Please tell me about it and why Ebi Guma has decided to be part of the Alliance Française Performance Arts Festival.
Why Ebi Guma has decided to be
a part, or how you the partnership?
Well, not to bore you, I think, as far as I am concerned, the first place, Ebi Guma has had this cross-cultural performance relationship with Alliance Française since early 90s, should I say. And if I am not mistaken, this one is by virtue of the fact that we have something to do with the International Theatre Institute. And that is where the connection is coming from. And since it has to do with the 3 aspects of the performing arts, and we do all in one, the music, the drama, the dance and everything together, you know. And for that matter, the production which will be featured on Saturday, coming Saturday, titled Bride of the Gods.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you read theatre arts like I did, when you hear titles like this, you get very interested. Bride or brides?
The bride. Okay, you can say the Bride of the Gods.
Bride of the Gods.
Yeah, Bride of the Gods.
So it's going to be, tell me about this Bride of the Gods. It's going to be a 3-way performance. It's going to be music, dance, and theatre, or it's mainly theatre?
It's mainly, seriously, theatre.
Okay.
But let me say, this is total African theatre.
Okay.
Right? Which stems from the folk tale. And you know, naturally, when they perform, they do it in the round.
Yes.
But this, should I say, we have transformed or transposed onto the proscenium stage, which has our typical storytelling style of presentation with the music and bits and pieces of dance spices, you know. Yes, and the music, should I say, folkloric as it is, what we do is we try to let our musicians work on the music. So it is not just that straight something that we all hear, and sometimes then you're feeling tired. But because of the work that has been done on it, and for example the story too, it has enhanced it for you to have total theatre. Of course, with lights and all whatnot, you know. Yes.
I'm curious to see. I personally haven't seen you on stage in a very long time. I mean, you know, well, I'll save that conversation for later, but I haven't seen you on stage for a long time. I guess you're going to be on stage?
I believe so, because I'm supposed to be playing the high priest, but of course, you see, you must let the young ones also have a feel of coming by when you want to be doing it all alone.
Yeah.
So when you're going, it means no succession plan.
Yes, indeed.
You see, so I must say I have an understudy, but the last rehearsals will tell whether this high priest who had dedicated a daughter to the gods that he served will do something about it when the daughter decides to fall in love with his head servant.
Jesus.
Yes.
Jesus.
Your father gives birth to you and says, you belong to the gods. And that is a pact. And now
you want to fall in love with head servant.
Your daughter wants to fall in love with the head servant. What is the punishment going to be like? Is it because the children are incurring the wrath of the father, or the father will incur the wrath of the gods, or the gods are going to punish the young one? You know,
child,
so that's
that's very interesting. These are the stuff we like to see. We haven't seen these things in a long while. I guess it's not just the baby Guma who's going to be there this Saturday. Do you have a host of others? Tell me about it.
So there's Steez Africa, there's the Ehalakasa, who will be doing something on spoken word, and there are a host of others as well on both days.
Beautiful. And it's all happening on stage this Saturday?
Yes, Friday and Saturday.
Friday and Saturday?
Yes.
Okay, what time is it?
6 p.m. It starts at 6 p.m. each night. Yes.
Okay, is it ticketed?
Yes, it is.
We want free things, so no, come on, we'll pay. Tell us how we can get tickets and how much it is.
The ticket is going for 50 CDs for 1 day. Yes. Okay. But if you're attending both days, we're giving you a discount, so you get it at 80 CDs instead. That's the regular tickets. And for our students, it's 30 CDs 1 day, 50 CDs for both days.
Okay, 30 CDs. We'll have to show your student ID card. How would you know? How would you know?
So we know
that. I'm actually a student.
Okay, let me clarify. Students of Alliance Française.
I see. Okay. All right. I mean, let me digress a bit because I'm very, very much interested in this. Uncle Mauli, you have been doing this for years. Ages.
So to speak.
Years. I'm saying so on authority. I've been doing this for years, and yet you're so humble about this thing. For the people who are watching, can you let them understand the power of art, especially the performance art, and why something like this is very necessary?
Okay, thank you very much. The performing arts, music, dance, drama. Okay, throw it into the traditional world, typical traditional world. Like I said, that's where you have the storytelling session. Okay, that is our theater. Okay, now once there is human existence, definitely there will be theater. Definitely there will be drama. Definitely there will be music. Definitely there will be the lighting man, the sound man to enhance all these things, put together. You see. So in the first place, we can't do away with theater. But how are we handling it to make it progressive? For which I would say, as far as I'm concerned, like you said, okay, because I think in '97, that was my first performance in French. So now, I'll tell you that il me semble que je comprends mieux que je parle.
Wow.
La langue française. Yes, that's the little I can say.
Basically, what he said was, what did he say?
So, if I got you, you're saying that you understand better than you speak.
Yes,
wow.
But I do performances in French. We started way back in '97. The West Coast, yes.
Beautiful.
Through Alliance Française. And I think, not because they have a rep here, But this is what should be going on to see the progress, the progression of how we are developing and promoting our theater. You see, I always say that I love to perform in the French countries, and of course, I think all around Ghana, even in the sea, French is spoken. You see, all around us, French-speaking countries. We've attended theater festivals, theater whatnots, and the French, seriously, they patronize theater more. Or, yes, more than the English-speaking countries around around us. Otherwise, I'll say, after all the French-speaking countries, I'll give it to Nigeria. Yes, that's the truth. Because when you look at our system where we want to organize a theater festival or a festival which will produce and project all the three areas of the performing arts, I think, is that something I would say a higgledy-piggledy? You know, yes. So it is one's prayer that once theater does not die, it means we should do something about it. She spoke about the mandate. What is the mandate of the National Drama Company, and for that matter, the National Theatre? You develop and promote it.
Yes.
You know.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. But when we are looking for support, what is it like? You see. So naturally, I will not refuse an invitation to perform on the platform of Alliance Française. And for me, it's been all glory around the French countries.
Beautiful.
Unlike even back home. Here, we pay much lip service. Of course, that is also very much appreciated, you know. But if you could go beyond just the verbal appreciation, I think there will be more progress.
Beautiful.
Yes.
If we can go beyond the verbal appreciation, there will be more progress for the arts, especially the performance arts. I'm going to put you on the spot.
No sweat.
I'll put you on the spot in a bit, but I just want to ask Amma,
yes,
why viewers should come and partake in this, and why they should come to Alliance Française this Saturday.
Okay, I think Mr. Semevo has mentioned a lot about it already. I particularly am looking forward to the Bigrammer's performance on Saturday. It's a way to keep in touch with what's happening around us, and then to connect with theatre. I have a special appreciation for any form of arts, and then of course performing arts as well. So this is one way to relax. This is you're gaining entertainment as well as education and then information. So if you didn't have plans this weekend, we've suddenly given you something to use your time for. Yes.
Yes, indeed. Are you an artist yourself? Are you an artist yourself?
No, I'm not.
No, you're not. And you appreciate us like this.
Yes,
Thank you very much. Thank you. Agamali, so what to expect this Saturday? Is a snippet of this high priest and this element. Do you remember some of your lines from the performance? So sorry, I'm putting you on the spot. I just want to see.
It's funny. I don't keep my lines in my head when I perform. But that assuming this were an audition, it means I would have failed.
Oh.
Yes, but I give you your last chance to say your last words before you become meat for the gods.
I give you your last chance to say your last words before you become meat for the gods. My goodness, I missed stage. Anyway, thank you very much. Efamali Asamovo, legendary actor, legend actor, I must say, and then Amma from Alliance Française. Thank you so much. So we're coming this Saturday, 6 p.m. Friday, Saturday it is. Friday and Saturday, 2 days of the Alliance Française Performance Arts Festival. 6 p.m. Tickets is 50 cedis for 1 day.
Yes.
If you're a student of Alliance Française, specifically 30 CDs.
Yes.
And then the double is the 2 days is what?
80 CDs
80
regular,
CDs for
and
the
then
rec.
50 CDs for our students. So I can also tell the viewers how to get the tickets.
Yes, please.
Yes. You can get it at the gates on Friday or Saturday, or you can call our front desk to make a reservation, or you can make your purchase before the day through our short code, *800 *1010#. Yes, and then you just follow the prompt. So *800 *1010#. Option 5 is tickets, and then you see option 2, AFPAF, and then you continue there. Yes.
AFPAF it is. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. We'll see you on Saturday.
Yes.
All right. And guys, thank you so much for being a part of the show. Always grateful. On behalf of the team here, we say thank you. We'll be back here tomorrow for Fashion Wednesday. Take care of yourselves. My name is Godwin Nambo.